As we grow older, one of the biggest concerns many people face is losing strength in their legs. Maybe you've noticed it yourself. Climbing stairs feels harder than it used to. Standing up from a chair takes more effort. Walking long distances becomes tiring. But here's the good news. Getting older does not mean your legs have to become weak. In fact, many people in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s are building stronger legs today than they had 10 years ago. The key is understanding what your body needs after the age of 60 and making small daily changes that support strength, mobility, and balance. Strong legs are not just about exercise. They are about movement, nutrition, posture, balance, and consistency. When your legs are strong, everything in life becomes easier. You can walk confidently, you can maintain independence, you can reduce your risk of falls, and you can continue enjoying the activities you love. In today's video, we will explore the most important things you must do to build stronger legs after 60. These methods are simple, safe, and designed specifically for aging bodies. And the best part is, you can start doing them right at home. So if you want stronger legs, better balance, and more confidence in your daily movement, stay with us. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete plan to strengthen your legs and protect your mobility for years to come. Before we talk about the exercises and habits that strengthen your legs, it's important to understand why leg strength becomes so critical after 60. As we age, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass. This process is known as sarcopenia. It can begin as early as our 40s, but it becomes much more noticeable after the age of 60. Without regular activity, adults can lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass every decade. And the muscles most affected are usually the legs and hips. Why does this matter? Because your legs are responsible for nearly every major movement you make during the day. Your leg muscles help you walk, stand, climb stairs, maintain balance, carry groceries, get out of bed, sit and stand safely. Weak legs can increase the risk of falls, which are one of the leading causes of injury in older adults. But strong legs help prevent that. They support your joints, improve stability, and allow you to move confidently throughout the day. Strong legs also improve circulation and support heart health. So building leg strength after 60 is not just about fitness. It's about maintaining independence and quality of life. One of the most powerful exercises for leg strength is something nearly everyone can do: walking. Walking activates several important muscle groups, including the quadriceps, the hamstrings, the calves, the glutes. These muscles work together every time you take a step. Walking also improves joint mobility and circulation. For many people over 60, walking is the perfect starting point because it is gentle on the joints while still strengthening the legs. If you are just starting, aim for 10 to 15 minutes per day. Once that becomes comfortable, slowly increase your time. Eventually, try to reach 30 minutes of walking most days of the week. You don't need to walk fast. Consistency matters more than speed. Even slow walking strengthens muscles when done regularly. You can also improve your walking routine by adding small variations. Try walking on gentle hills. Walk slightly faster for short intervals. Or add arm movements to increase circulation. The key is to keep your body moving. Every step you take helps maintain muscle strength. One of the most important movements for older adults is something we do every day: standing up from a chair. This simple movement strengthens the quadriceps and glutes, two of the most important muscles for mobility. But many people unknowingly avoid this movement as they age. They rely more on armrests or assistance. Over time, the leg muscles become weaker. A simple exercise called the chair squat can help rebuild that strength. Here's how to do it safely. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Slowly lower yourself down until you lightly touch the seat. Then stand back up again. Move slowly and with control. Try to keep your back straight and your feet shoulder width apart. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions. Rest for a moment, then repeat. Over time, work toward 2 or 3 sets. This exercise mimics real-life movement and strengthens the muscles needed for daily independence. Your calf muscles play a major role in stability and walking. They help push your body forward with every step. Weak calves can lead to balance problems and fatigue while walking. A simple exercise to strengthen calves is the heel raise. Stand behind a chair and hold it lightly for support. Slowly lift your heels so that you are standing on your toes. Hold the position for a moment. Then slowly lower your heels back to the floor. Start with 10 repetitions. Over time, increase to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. This exercise improves both strength and ankle stability, and strong ankles are essential for preventing falls. Balance is closely connected to leg strength. As muscles weaken, balance often becomes more difficult. But the good news is that balance can be improved with practice. One of the easiest exercises is the single leg stand. Stand next to a wall or chair for safety. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Try to hold your balance for 10 seconds. Then switch legs day first. This may feel challenging. That's completely normal. Balance improves gradually as your muscles become stronger and your nervous system adapts. Practicing this exercise daily can significantly improve stability over time. Strength is important, but flexibility is just as essential. Tight muscles limit movement and increase injury risk. Stretching helps maintain the full range of motion in your legs. Focus on stretching 3 key muscle groups. Your hamstrings, located at the back of the thighs. Your quadriceps, at the front of the thighs. And your calves, located in the lower legs. Each stretch should be held for 15 to 20 seconds. Never bounce during a stretch. Move gently and breathe slowly. Regular stretching keeps muscles relaxed and joints mobile. Strength is important, but flexibility is just as essential. Tight muscles limit movement and increase injury risk. Stretching helps maintain the full range of motion in your legs. Focus on stretching your hamstrings, quadriceps, and your calves. Each stretch should be held for 15 to 20 seconds. Never bounce during a stretch. Move gently and breathe slowly. Regular stretching keeps muscles relaxed and joints mobile. Strength is important, but flexibility is just as essential. Tight muscles limit movement and increase injury risk. Stretching helps maintain the full range of motion in your legs. Focus on stretching your hamstrings, quadriceps, and your calves. Each stretch should be held for 15 to 20 seconds. Never bounce during a stretch. Move gently and breathe slowly. Regular stretching keeps muscles relaxed and joints mobile. Exercise alone cannot build strong muscles. Your body also needs proper nutrition. Protein is especially important after the age of 60. Protein helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Good sources include eggs, fish, chicken, beans, Greek yogurt, nuts. Staying hydrated is also essential. Water supports muscle function and joint lubrication. The biggest secret to stronger legs after 60 is not intensity. It's consistency. Small daily actions create powerful long-term results. Walking regularly, doing simple strength exercises, stretching your muscles, and eating nutritious foods. These habits, repeated day after day, slowly rebuild strength. Over time, your legs will feel more stable, more powerful, and more capable. Strength is important, but flexibility is just as essential. Tight muscles limit movement and increase injury risk. Stretching helps maintain the full range of motion in your legs. Focus on stretching your hamstrings, quadriceps, and your calves. Exercise alone cannot build strong muscles. Your body also needs proper nutrition. Protein is especially important after the age of 60. Protein helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Good sources include eggs, fish, chicken, beans, Greek yogurt, and nuts. The biggest secret to stronger legs after 60 is not intensity. It's consistency. Small daily actions create powerful long-term results. Walking regularly, doing simple strength exercises, and stretching your muscles. These habits, repeated day after day, slowly rebuild strength. Strong legs are one of the greatest gifts you can give your future self. They support independence, protect mobility, and allow you to live an active, fulfilling life. No matter your age, it is never too late to start. So begin with simple steps. Walk a little more, strengthen your muscles, and take care of your body. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment below and share which exercise you plan to start today. Share this video with someone who wants stronger legs after 60, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.